All right, welcome back to Weekend Smile, guys. Founder and chief magician of the software Hello Scribe AI, Paul J. Thompson, tweeted his AI-inspired designs to generate civic pride should Jamaica become a republic. Now, we wanted to know how the idea for these uniform designs came about. So the man himself joins us now via Zoom. Hello to you, Sir Paul. How you do?
I'm good. Nice to go.
No, absolutely. Let me tell you something. When I saw these designs, I was floored because it was really breathtaking what you could actually do with AI. And we've been talking about this now for the past couple of weeks here in Jamaica when we discovered different softwares and websites offering that kind of service. How did you get started, though, in this? And what was the inspiration, really, behind the designs that you decided to make using your Hello Scribe?
Well, my background is in marketing and advertising. I spent more than a decade working with some of the best creative minds in Jamaica as a form of marketing consultant. My mentor, late Angel Robinson, was a visionary really in terms of, positioning Jamaica as this wonderful destination. He really opened my mind up to the possibilities of thinking about Jamaica in different ways. So that's my background. In terms of my inspiration for this, I had a conversation with a good brethren of mine many years ago. And we were talking about Jamaica. If we were going to redesign Jamaica, what would it look like? And this year, I sort of started thinking more deeply about it. And it became clear that nation building is a design project. When you're building a nation, you're really designing a nation. From how you design your laws, to how you design your institutions, to how you design the way that people present themselves to the public.
Yeah, definitely.
And so